Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Today it's getting close to fall. It's almost October, so I thought I'd do some kind of a fall type recipe. And what we're going to make today is chicken with apples. All right, I've got a frying pan going here on medium heat with 1 tablespoon of oil. And I have 2 chicken breasts. Only because there's 2 of us going to be eating today. I'm going to salt and pepper these to taste on each side. And we'll brown these in the oil. So we'll leave these on medium heat. 3 to 4 minutes for each side, just until they're nice and brown. All right, let's see how these look. Yeah, that's good. So we'll do another 3 to 4 minutes on this side. All right, my chicken is browned good. You can see and hear. So I'm going to remove the chicken, let it sit on a plate while we make some of the sauce to put on there. I'm going to turn that down. So I'm going to add another tablespoon of oil. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of pretty finely chopped shallots. And I've got about a teaspoon of fresh thyme. And what I've done here is I had 1 Granny Smith apple that I peeled, and I've sliced into pretty thin slices. They've been sitting in water so that they didn't get brown, so I'm going to be careful when I add this to this hot oil. Stir this up good, get that thyme and shallot mixed in with the apple. Now if you're cooking like 4 chicken breasts, you could go ahead and put in 2 apples. And as usual, I'm using Granny Smith apples for cooking. So we'll leave this on medium-low, 3 or 4 minutes just to get that apple nice and soft. All right, it's been about 3 minutes. The apples are getting pretty soft. So now I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of chicken broth and a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Actually, I'm thinking since it's almost October, if you have apple cider available now, you could use apple cider instead. You could probably put a little bit more of that in. It won't be as tart as the apple cider vinegar. All right, so we're just gonna let this simmer again for another 3 minutes or so. Make sure these apples are nice and tender and get this flavor mixed in good. And reduce a little bit of this liquid. It's been 3 minutes or so. The liquid's actually starting to get a little bit thick, not too much. So now what we can do is put our chicken back in. To finish cooking that, and we'll go ahead and pour in that nice juice that's in there. Okay, I'm going to turn this down towards just to a simmer. Cover it. Maybe another 3 or 4 minutes just to make sure this the chicken's well done inside. Okay, so my chicken is done. I'm going to remove the chicken, put it on a serving platter. And I think what I want to do is remove most of the apples. Just kind of spread that on top and a little bit around just to make it look nice. And to finish up the sauce, I just have some dried parsley flakes. I'm going to sprinkle in, you know, a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. And then a big dollop of sour cream. Just to give it a nice thick sauce. I still have my heat on low. So we're just going to stir this up, get the sour cream warm and mixed in there. And that's why I removed most of the apples, just so this will be more of a smoother consistency. We'll pour this on top. Oh, let's put in some more salt and pepper. Take a taste of this sauce with the apple and we'll see what it tastes like. Using Granny Smith, I don't know if it's too tart for you. You could add maybe a teaspoon or tablespoon of honey if you wanted to. I kind of like it this way. Actually the shallots kind of tame down the tartness of the apple and the apple cider vinegar. But if it's a little too tart for you, like I said, you could I would only put maybe a teaspoon of honey just to kind of sweeten it up a little bit. All right, so let's pour this on our chicken and we'll be ready to eat. All right, so there we have it. Dinner for 2.
It's good.
Good.
Mm-hmm. You try? What? You want? Good.
I like it. I like it a lot. Very good. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over in there. And thank you for watching.